before we start, hit that red subscribe button. So you never miss a video. What is up, everyone? Today we are doing Cluster Truck Part 4. Cluster Truck Part 4. It's Part 4 of Cluster Truck. We haven't uploaded a Cluster Truck video in like 6 days. In 6 days, everyone. 6 days. Might as well hit that subscribe button. Let me just, should I fix the thing? Let's go back in it. That's done now, let's go back into it. Cluster Truck Part 4. Play. This one. World 2. Forest. Go back to go back a bit. Like, go back a bit if you're new to the channel. Go back a bit to see the other Cluster Truck videos we did. Now it's part 4. Oof! It's oof time. Today. Oh God. So, let's jump from truck to truck. Oof. Copyright. Jesus. Like, Jesus. Go, go, go. Oh! Oh. Literally, I need to do something. I need to get a life. Don't you think I need to get live and like win this? Comment down below if I need to get live. I think I should get live. Because literally I'm not winning. Right. It's like the game's winning. The game's winning! The developers are winning right now. Finally, level 2-7. It's level 2-7. Oh, I just gone over that. Oof. No! Oof. Okay. I got up. I had to get up. Like, stand up. Like, sort of. To do that last bit. Like, like this. Why not just just don't move the camera game. Do you know, when I move it, the camera, like, sometimes it doesn't work when I try to move it, and it doesn't always work with me do, because I don't play with like a piece. The big pieces. Oh God. Go. Oh my God. That felt like so difficult. That felt so difficult. When it is really difficult. Jesus. That's my green screen. Do you like it? What? Yeah. This is my green screen here. Hi, green screen. Do you like it? Yeah. No, I wasn't saying it to you, Martha. Do you like this, everyone? You know it's not a real green screen. It's just a pretend. Okay. Today, you get to see me doing Cluster Truck Part 4. This Part 4, and oof, it's oof. If you like this video, could you subscribe, and bye.